Memo Kwaba, you're live on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM. 106.3 FM. Yes. Yabandi and Yaba. Eti join your warrior queen, Nimia, Kegyiwa Nakasani, Eric Asiedu, Boadi and UEFA Champions League games. I would rob Sonia and Ketwa. The amount for Anna to Susaba Basso, Bassono, the Newcastle, Paris Saint-Germain, Sheffield, and Nomona, Mako, and 9. Abba. Paris Saint-Germain, Lucas Hernandez. Ahead and open a consolation in Newcastle for after over 20 years about back into the Champions League. This is how one more air and some presence down around the AC Milan board draw and so much winning against Paris Saint-Germain. It is 4 points normally top group. No, can you imagine Eddie Howe, a head coach at my Paris Saint-Germain?
Well, we hoped that we could, as I said, implement what we wanted to do onto them. But I thought it was an even game. I thought they had some moments where they hurt us. I thought we had some moments where we hurt them. I thought we scored the goals at good times. Delighted with the players that scored, for their individual sort of recognition. But to score 4 goals, it wasn't necessarily something that we expected to do. But I'm just delighted that we were able to do that in front of our supporters. And I think it's a really special night. We hope that gives us that inner belief that we need to be successful in this competition. I think against Milan in our first game, there was an element of us not quite hitting the levels that we expected of ourselves, but I think it's only by doing that you can truly prove to yourself that you can do it consistently. I think today will go a long way, hopefully, to prove that. But as I said, we have so many difficult games to come in this competition. It's a small step forward, but there's still a long way to go. The next game in this competition will be hugely important, but that goes to the back of our minds now as we focus back onto the Premier League and West Ham.
And someone Eddie Howe, head coach Adima, Newcastle United are the two. It's a small step forward, and of course, the kind of doors on radio. I'm fan to my children come on weekend. You come with them now. Borussia Dortmund in that same group. I'm going to AC Milan board draw. FC Porto tonight. Fear Barcelona. Kupona Kabak want to me and Celtic. Tonight. Fear Lazio. We born come. You know team back. Resta Belgrade. Our own man Osman Bukari says she goal. Man Resta Belgrade for the second Champions League of this Champions League goal of his campaign. And was say and a young boy is a phone on boy on ball. 2-2. Leipzig tonight. Fear Manchester City. Be born a come and Sa Emma what Timo backward way. Jeremy Doku, Julian Alvarez, Muya Jmano, Edma Manchester City. One winning 3-1 in that game. Now Atletico Madrid about final by 3-2. Royal Antwerp tonight. Fear Shakhtar. Be born a come and Sam and Timo Miru. Where any match out with Basso and Ra in the UEFA Champions League and Europa League games. Back Basso and Yasem get to Aquatica Sentosa. F.A. Emame.
Adom Sports number one.
For the Equaso Emuana, me quarter Malaysia, and many Montana Jakwa champion Akasa, Enra Ukopiemo, the head coach of a senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana, Coach Chris Hilton, Aton Safra, Man, Rantema Quadrimiansa, Esa Omombrana, Quambia Sono, Ye Gamea, Yan in Mexico, and the USA for Bono, Omomeka on Yankosia Kana, Yakmak, Etika Shan Sumame say, Lawrence Atizigi, Manaf Nurdin, Richard Atatri goalkeeper, Richard Ofori, 3 goalkeepers, no, Tariq Lamte, Ali Lucero, Joseph Edu, Nicolas Opoku, Alexander Jiku, Dan Lamate, Fatah Hamid. The only local player in there, Gideon Mensah, Osman Bukari, Joseph Pencil, Thomas Partey, Edmond Ado, Salis Samed, Elisha Wusu, and of course, Ransford, Kwanizofa, and then of course, Mohamed Kudus, Jordan Ayew, Ernest, Nuyama, Iñaki Williams, and Antoine Semenyo. 27 said Tariq Lamte is back, and of course, the man in the middle, Thomas Partey, is also back. And to say yes, Timon you'll be able to say the day you went back to the day and can score. And they come out 2 friendly games in the Kashan to say, and so Efamame. Now, young Konko Piemo, Ayatamale. Na yenhwe de yekoso tamale immortal Jakwa champion team no attach it down that na coverage no bro live on Adom TV and Asempa FM tika hye so sa fama me immortal Jakwa what me kan mo akwa ba tamale de saying Dabi immortal mateko immortal teko jeverena ya sign the immortal aba line so live on Asempa Adom 106.3 FM na yaka election won some say executive council so no penifo be na pressure bit my executive council so Kwesi Apia former Black Stars coach what did the ticket of Kumasa Sande Koroko and Eko what in summer to say Nani abre we say Sudan dey na beto but executive council dey obeso koso.
Kakra meet me I can share delegates this me expect say obia beto amam we say opportunity by say make Sudan but me to an amount encourage bia unless me approve a few for the me quoting for nothing for I say meet Marco but saying that that's now me say me Sudan for no sign a contract bia because na me say
number one.
The times to sana about say mutual amount yes now that we speak now say sign a contract bia time that's say me share expo because you never know be can my young but I believe say me ball as a footballer and coaching career and a lot of experience for this football playing any coaching career and I think say me coaching experience especially being a lot of impact
Executive Council elections na so be ba so e be mo mbekọ so kwasi apia sam ntoma no na nkogwo tena so ntiampa na eja Tamale mai good morning
Metonka minia wikaseri Boadi
matache down Tamale yenim se na bibia ekoso ye market okrakun saso FIFA mpanimfo abanya samketo akase election dia kwame se na ewiem city of Tamale no e kire se ba so anisa na
well minia Senate TV according to Ghana Football Association election beba so den ewo Tamale Global Dream Hotel and Jumedini nyina Dr. So according to plans na by 8 not just a congress was a elected congress no just the name and so now we can Ghana Football Association committee of the abano just a Kegyiwa and for only 4 there now only contender those are free only final nomination and your money be employed in the election committee and so disqualify and the betting committee disqualify and AUC race want to have a selling point regional na as a Ghana Football Association president apart from the executive council and so election and so now share executive council decide nipa Dawson we contest for example so Division 1 to near the Division 1 say the both with Division 1 I think he was able to on which when say more added Santo and Nana Safu do and so account very champion Anthony Kwesi Obin anything so Ransford and Nate Abbey I can get from Dr. Randy Abbey and then in so Edmond Tabena Aka James Akwesi Abbey Albo and voice NCDI no Tansona Amadi Moro Brahma and also disqualifying Alaji and Kabi disqualifying sense on also offering nominating to insurance to count and only a Monday and so one of the aspirants for executive council Premier League side and then Rafael Kegyiwa Rafael Jamina so Obekaya no born ahafo IFA no dano but this time the changes of the second council so and kasa into Kegyiwa where the man to the man nominee man on so or the buy but down near the Division 1 so mo nya do Division 1 pepe akonya ababe 7 na obi so Matato then Samuel Numato Eugene Nogoni Amo Noah anything so Gideon Ofosu ni Alexander Ababio and no the BB United also Ebuama Papa so economy and also Ejan said into aba and my only said so council no position back no for bar na madam Ababa and an okra position about also Madu and no I'm a very lady woman and a very CEO it's your higher boy no and the Akonya na Bedforma no and offer nomination into also a local only post and so why never a return Savannah emoji no at once. And I say Ghana Football Association election and then Global Dream Hotel Tamalino about the top so it's a oral dollar for 3 years secure injunction at the auto election so yate inside that election about so say injunction no it's insecure so when to insecure Ghana Football Association and second some time we bet me to equipping any man say Ghana Football Association I card of election no and I say elected congressman it's me so a global dream hotel and FIFA and so to the football brain and I'm FIFA members them are going to and I'm on ideas FIFA so every few we do market by Amaju Seneca media to Nigeria Football Association or more federation president. And also, I was doing 3 days ago, a press conference campo, I mean, for by the body chairman, say, Cooper, actually, I will put the woman on the Ghana Football Association selection in TV and so. And see, I consider with Miss Omerino, Esa, and Kegyiwa come with Brina, now anything else posted next to the Yaka, I don't want to control from the different and say, and Ghana Football Association election at the moment, it's now say, GFA election committee no ebehwe na election no etimi abaso ibia anywhere
right you be jam akọ you cry like you said the time so but enkan the mo na ya ha hu ehun frama bia so o say bia mo de afinkan bedu tamale ho say mo ma election e maso na ade
sana mini kan no course I am paying for no makasa no more kind of say election e baso Obia say court ticket on that share say no onsa enkan bia say ene election of the back into winning or more inside the Ghana Football Association ekasa unya koma court something to the election of the back no man say election of the back the court assembly I say in the media no and social media do not know social media and also but within the football sector media delegate in Aba the answer delegate in Aba not just say umunia
okay na no ketokreku ne yama ne nsaso na fish ya to executive council ya no eno ape ana original de ne ka ho
exactly original no so no eba almost to regional IFA secretariat and assembly regional to mo but and then no executive council and then the presidency.
All right, Kwame, you better say because I feel I didn't say be share so dey na so time so ati be to so asempa ne Adom TV. Yes, am say mu so yira fe maje wa boso headquarters akopi mu dey say bi ba biawu. You be san ba mo hobim. Why?
But as me nche dia no e be twa to mo e wo Adom TV. You know, mo ni TV no mo be ni TV na ma mo away from TV. And obviously it's a very live into in social media
online yes
Adom 106.3 ne asampana 4.7 FM and then Adom TV in social media channels including Asampa Sports edina be pa
right I shall say oh ba opekuri why Mate Jalabia ampanya bad
and I say
Obeduna Sakwame Hajakwa Champo and Akopimo War Tamale Mokorena the coverage of election no FD no yebe baso den dia some kito we premier be pro yes sorry so na no penny kwatwa so Adom TV MTN everywhere go my MTN app no so na say ABB antifa wonjim obesane mo be talk credit bibia peso ye bia my MTN app no so easy upon say fa so the F pack the BX tablet teken ho ya den sabno ade bre we na no pay DBS Industries Limited Bodane so ye DBS roofing papa fee o me sponsors abrebia amre yesi akonkonsa and of course in producers in aka hona ye de buy an waka de nankasa ka Kegyiwa ne ho Asiedu Boadi koso ati dwa so nsem